Good morning everyone. Sorry about the state of my hair, but I'm having it done tonight. My roots are enormous, so there's no point washing it and doing anything to it when I'm going to have it done tonight. I wanted to show you a few things that I've bought. I was so happy. I went to Boots and they were doing 3 for 2. So every third product was free. I really went in there to get a Bare Minerals foundation, and the reason is I couldn't get anywhere my Laura Mercier mineral powder in classic beige. I've run out of it, and in every department store they didn't have that color. I looked online and everywhere that color seemed to be sold out. So I thought I'd try Bare Minerals. I've never tried Bare Minerals foundation, at least I don't think so. I took a little, I had like little dust of my classic beige, and she gave me the golden medium. It looks nothing like classic beige really. It's a yellow undertone. It's nice, but classic beige is a bit darker, so it's good for me like right now. So I will still probably use it, but not just yet because it is a bit light. It's very difficult to tell. It looks quite yellow and dark, but once you rub it in your hand, it's very light. So it's a bit hard to choose the powdered foundation. So that's what I went to get. Anyway, in the meantime, I kept looking online for the Laura Mercier and I found it. I think it was in Selfridges. So I've got one on order. It's not here yet, but I will try this, and in fact, I'm going to do like a makeup with new products probably next Monday. And don't ask me about my makeup today either, because I'm going to do that as well. Maybe next Monday or Monday after that. So yeah, I got that. Then I saw these. I think they are new. Yeah, they are new. Real Techniques Brush Crush. They just looked so beautiful. So this is number 300 powder brush. You know, I'm a bit short on good face brushes, and I really like the Real Techniques. So that's what they look like. I love it. I mean, I wouldn't say that the handle is that comfortable, but it looks pretty. So this is 300. I like Real Techniques brushes, so I know I'm gonna absolutely love this one. So because it was 3 for 2, I thought I'd get another one of those, because I can use one for powder, one for bronzer, and then I can get different one free. And they were, I think, where's my receipt? It's my receipts. They were $12.99 each. So not bad. And of course I got one, which was $12.99 as well, for free. So I've got 2 of these. And then I got the blush brush, which is number 302. And that looks cute as well. Right now I use for blush, I've got some old brushes, and I have also some Morphe brushes, and I don't like Morphe brushes. I bought at some point. There is couple that I like, eye brushes. One is quite big that I use for my highlighter, and one little one for under my eyes. So these are not too bad. But the other ones that I had were no good. Anyway, so that is the blush brush. So that's the difference between them. Aren't they gorgeous? So I've got these. And then I saw this make of brushes, Face Tools, masked. I suppose you pronounce it masked. Yes, I've never heard of them. So this is like they say it's a buffing brush, but I suppose you could use it for blush. Oh, for blush as well. So there it is. It's a bit smaller than that blush brush. Oh yeah, actually might be good for buffing because it's quite dense. Yes, so, and how much was that one? £9. That was £9. And so I had to choose two things to get one free. So then I got NYX brow pencil. I love these brow pencils. And I have one in ash brown, I think. And I thought I'd get taupe. I quite like the taupe as well. So that was two. Then I got NYX Pencil, another well, I'm not going to show you it like this. You know it was 3 for 2 because I want to swatch it for you. Anyway, with 3 things that I bought, they were promoting this new thing and I got free makeup sponge. That was completely free. So like a 4th free product. And I haven't tried it yet, of course, but I wonder what it's like because I'm always looking for, I don't know how much that one is because it was free, so it won't say. Oh, it's £5, but it was free. They took it off. So, you know, Beauty Blender is so expensive and I quite like the Real Technique sponges as well, but it's nice to always try and find something different. This is a bit different shape as well. So I'll let you know how that one works. Then I got another NYX pencil, but it's a bit different to the other two that I got last week. I showed you, I think. The other one was matte suede range, and this one is just retractable lip pencil. Pencil. And what color is that in? Oh, it says it's waterproof, that one. Sand beige. And it's a really lovely color. I mean, it looks nothing like sand beige, but I call that rosewood. To me, this looks very similar to, a bit similar to Urban Decay Laya pencil, and also my very, very old favorite L'Oreal lip pencil in rosewood, I think it was called. So I don't even know if they still do it, but it is really nice. And then I got a couple of lipsticks. They, you know, they round, simple lipsticks. And this, I can't wait to try. I haven't tried them all at all. This one is called Lala. So you know how much I love the Too Faced, the liquid lipstick in Queen Bee, but I usually put a bit of gloss on it because I don't really like matte lipsticks that much, and I've been looking for ages for a lipstick that had that color, and I think this one might be a bit similar. And they feel so creamy. I've never tried those either. You see, I think it's beautiful. Can't wait to try that. And of course I had to get a nude one as well, and this one is called Summer Love. It looks a beautiful nude. In fact, you can hardly see it. It's here, but you know, I've got fake tan on, so my hand is quite brown, but I'm sure it will look nice on lips. I've got just like a tinted lip gloss on, so I can't put it on. So I'm really happy about those. And then I bought another one. You know, these are my favorite lashes. These are the Fleur de Force Fleur Loves 3/4 lashes. And I don't often wear lashes. I wear them, you know, in that transition period when my lashes are falling out and the new ones growing back. If they feel a bit sparse, I will wear them, or if I just want to be a bit extra. I don't really wear full-on lashes ever. maybe now once in a blue moon when I go out somewhere. So I bought those, you know, I always have some in my stash, but when I was there, I saw that they have a new ones from Emma Willis, and they looked very similar. So these are like double up. So the ones at the top are 3/4, and then these little accent ones, you can wear them on their own, just on the outer portion of your eye, or you can double up with those ones to just have like thicker bits. So they are a bit similar. I would say the Emma ones are a bit longer. I like them because they are so wispy. So I can't wait to try those as well. Oh, the sun just come out, so it's gonna be a bit funny. I forgot to tell you about my Max, about his results, because they got their results, I don't know, 2 weeks ago now, and I never mentioned it. He did really, really well. I'm so proud. He got A star for economics, I think, A business, and B in maths. So had wonderful results. He could go to any university he wants to, but as you know, he does not want to go to university, and he's applied for a job in the company that he did his work experience last year, and he got it. He got the job, so he's starting 1st of October. It is a foreign currency trading company, so you know, that sort of stuff. Obviously he's starting at quite a junior position. I think he's going to be in a customer support, but yeah, we're really happy. He's happy. He just wants to go and earn money. He said, I'm not spending 3 years at university, coming out with a big debt and then looking for a job. So that's what he wants to do. Is his life. I would like him to go to university, more so for the experience, for, you know, living on his own, doing a bit of growing up. But that's what he has chosen for himself. So I'm glad, you know, I'm really happy, because you know how hard it is to get a job these days, and this is his very first job. Well, he does work, you know, he's worked for over a year in weekends in a restaurant, so this is his petrol money, you know, for his car. But yeah, we are really, really happy and proud of him. Oh my god, my hair, it's terrible. Look at those roots. Thank you so much from the last Monday, the depression video. Thank you for your stories and your input. That's what I love about the comment section. You know, it's not just for me, it's not for you paying me just compliments, although it's nice. But I love it when you all get into conversation. So always read the comments, because some people have other advice and share their stories, so it's really nice. There was one thing that someone in the comments reminded me of, and I forgot to tell you, although I take it, is the vitamin D, but I think it has to be the D3. Very important to take that. A lot of us are vitamin D deficient, especially if you live in a country that there isn't much sunshine, and they call vitamin D the happy vitamin. So vitamin D3 definitely helps if you feel blue and depressed, especially in the winter months, I would say. So that's what I was gonna say. There was so much good advice. Like I said in that video, we are all different things work for us, so that's why it's so nice that you live your experiences, and what you're doing about it is really important. Okay, my lovelies, that's it for now. As always, if I have anything else to say or show you, I will be back. Good morning, everyone. So we are taking advantage of nice weather, because it suddenly got really cold for the last 2 weeks, but it's getting warmer now, and we've come out to our favourite place. We haven't been here for a year, I think.
Yeah, it must be something like that.
Virginia Waters. I probably have shown you this place in my other vlogs, but we really love it here. So does Louis. There is a big lake, so he can jump in the water whenever he feels like it. So now we've sat down, we're going to have something to eat because there is a really lovely cafe. We're going to have late breakfast. Louis, are you gonna have fried egg? Louis is going to have fried egg for his brunch. And you?